In today's video, we're gonna unbox this Home Depot purchase. Let's go ahead and see. It's almost open. So we have this rigid brushless 3/8" ratchet, rigid. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's 18 volts, max torque 55 foot-pounds. Feels pretty nice. This thing is pretty awkward. Has a little lock right here. Pull it down, it's unlocked. Locked. Let's go ahead and put a battery in it. So this one, you buy it without the battery. You have to buy the battery separately. So it's the tool only. This little paddle feels weird, having this paddle. Kind of feels like those paddles that you're gonna use on a boat. But once you put the battery, it does balance out pretty nicely. Go ahead and test it out. Alright, let's go ahead and try and remove this one. I have my 3/8 sockets here. This is a 10mm. I think it was just loose because it had no problems removing it. And tighten it back down. Ooh, it has nice torque. Let's try removing this one. Moved it like nothing. It's a really nice tool. Okay, now this one, it doesn't remove it. There we go. Check the one on the other side. Like nothing. Okay, so far so good. We're gonna now remove these. So like nothing. Let's try the other side. So far works great. I like it. So far my thoughts, I do like this. Would be nicer if they made another model with a longer reach, because this thing is pretty thick, might not enter in tight spaces. So if you have this thing longer reach, it would be easier to enter those hard to reach places. Make sure if you buy it, make sure you put it in the warranty. Sign it up for the warranty right away. They give you so many days in order for the warranty to work. At the time of this posting, this cost me $179 plus tax. So it's great to see that the other tool companies are making ratchets like these. Will make the jobs a lot easier, a lot faster.